Hello friends, in last lecture we saw the examples. Now in this lecture we'll start question from exercise. So 11.2 exercise, we'll see the very first question. Question is in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, PQR, PQR are midpoints of sides BCCA and AB of sides BCCA and AB respectively. If AC equal to 21 centimeter, if AC is equal to 21 centimeter, BC equal to 29, BC is equal to 29 centimeter, and AB equal to and AB is equal to 30 centimeter. Find the perimeter of find the perimeter of parallelogram ARPQ. Perimeter of parallelogram ARPQ. So let us see. So this question is from exercise 11.2, page 563, sorry 561, question number 1. So let us see its solution. It is given ABC is a triangle. So let this is the ABC triangle. Okay, P, Q and R are midpoints of BC. P is midpoint of BC, Q is midpoint of CA and R is midpoint of AB. Okay, length of all three sides are given. We have to find the area of perimeter of parallelogram ARPQ. ARPQ. Okay. To get the perimeter of this, what actually I need? Length of AR, RP, PQ and AQ. So AB is given, so and R is midpoint. So but obvious AR will be half of AB. Okay. Similarly, AC is given, Q is midpoint, so AQ will be half of AC. Now we have to find the measure of RP and PQ. Now, as it is given, it's a parallelogram, so we can say that RP is equal to AQ. Okay, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and PQ is equal to AR. Again, opposite sides of parallelogram. So here AR is equal to AB by 2, that is 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter. AQ is equal to AC by 2, that is AC is 21, so 21 by 2, that is 10.5. Now perimeter of parallelogram. Okay, now perimeter parallelogram ARPQ is equal to twice of okay AR plus AQ, twice of AR plus AQ. Okay, perimeter of a parallelogram is twice the sum of adjacent sides. Okay, now here AR, we have AR is equal to 15 and AQ we have 10.5. So this is 2 multiplied by 25.5, that is 51 centimeter. So perimeter of parallelogram is 51 centimeter. So please note it down, then we'll see the next question. Here you can write a reason, that is as R is midpoint of AB given, and over here reason Q is midpoint, Q is midpoint, okay, reason Q is midpoint of AC, that is given. Okay, and over here we can write reason R is midpoint of AB. R is midpoint of AB, that is given. Okay, that reasons we have to give. Okay, now next question is from the same exercise, same page, question number 2. Okay, question is in the figure AOB equal to 90 degree. In the figure angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. AC equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. OA equal to OA is equal to 15 centimeter, and OB is equal to 2 centimeter. Find area triangle AOB. Okay, find area of triangle AOB. Okay, so let us see its solution. Diagram is given. Okay, in this diagram it is given that angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Okay, AOB, AOB, this is equal to 90 degree. This is 15 centimeter. OB equal to 2 centimeter, and this is point C. Okay, so here we have to find its area. AOB is 90 degree, AC equal to BC. This AC is equal to BC. That means C is midpoint. OB is equal to 2 centimeter. So we have to find area triangle AOB. See, to get the area of triangle AOB, okay, OA is equal to 15, OB is equal to 2, AOB is equal to 90 degree, AC is equal to BC. So to get the area of triangle AOB, it's simply half base into height. So no need to use any of this information. It will be simply 15 centimeter square. Area triangle AOB is equal to half base multiplied by height. Half base is OB, height is AO. That is 1 by 2 into 2 into 15. It is 15 centimeter square. It is simple. All the values are given. Just you have to put the value to get the answer. Okay, so please note it down. Then we'll see next question. Okay, now we'll see question number 4, which is almost similar to this. Question number 4th. Next is question number 4th. It is given in the figure angle OAB is 90 degree, AC equal to BC, OA equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, OA is equal to 12 centimeter and OC equal to 6.5 and OC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then you have to find the area of triangle. Okay, now here the measurements are not given directly, so here we'll see how to find. Okay, see, again, to get the area of triangle, what we need the length of AO, which is given directly, as well as we need the length of OB, that is not given. Instead of OB, it is given length OC. Now, if you remember, we solved a question. Okay, it is also given AC equal to BC, that is C is midpoint. Okay, we solved a question in which we proved this: if AC equal to BC, then AC and BC also equal to OC. So actually over here first we have to prove these two are equal, AC and OC. To get the length of OB, we must have the length AC, and AC is already also not given. So let us see how to solve this here. Uh, given uh, given in triangle ABC, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, AC is equal to BC, OA is equal to 12 centimeter, OC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. That is given. To find, okay, over here we have to find area triangle AOB. So let us see its solution. Or before that we have to make, see, either we can use the concept directly, that result directly, or it's better to prove that thing okay, so a small construction is required. Draw CZ perpendicular to AO. Draw CZ perpendicular to AO, or simply I can say draw CZ parallel to OB. It will be better if I draw the parallel. Okay, draw CZ perpendicular AO, that is angle AZC. Therefore, angle AZC is equal to angle AZC is equal to angle OZC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we'll see its solution. See, when I draw this made 90 degree, so these two angles are equal. This says CZ parallel AO. Angle AZC is equal to angle OZC is equal to OZ. Angle AZC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and okay, angle AZC 90 degree by construction. Okay, and angle uh, ZOB, angle ZOB equal to 90 degree given. Okay, therefore I can say, therefore angle AZC is equal to angle ZOB, but these angles are corresponding angles. These angles are corresponding angles. Uh, Therefore, I can say CZ parallel OB. Therefore, CZ parallel OB. Let it be 1. Okay, now in triangle, see, actually my target is to prove AC equal to OC. Okay, and to prove that AC equal to OC, I need to prove these two triangles congruent. Now, in these two triangles, we have side OZ common and one angle 90 degree each, AZC and CZO. Okay, now I need one more part. I need AZ equal to 0. For that, now I will apply the midpoint theorem. According to, or I will apply actually converse midpoint theorem. Converse midpoint theorem says that if a line segment drawn from the midpoint of one side parallel to the second side, it will bisect the third. So for that, I need to prove that CZ parallel BO. Okay, so here I put CZ parallel BO. Now in triangle AOB, C is midpoint. C is midpoint of AO. Sorry, AB. C is midpoint of AB, and CZ parallel and CZ parallel OB from first. CZ parallel OB from first. So by converse midpoint theorem, theorem, by converse midpoint theorem, I can say AZ equal to ZO is equal to, so by converse midpoint theorem, CZ bisects AB. CZ bisects AO. Therefore, AZ is equal to ZO. Let it be second. Now in triangle, AZC and OZC. Now in triangle AZC and triangle OZC, AZ is equal to ZO from second. Angle AZC is equal to OZC, angle OZC, each 90 degree. Okay, each 90 degree. And CZ is equal to CZ, that is common. Therefore, triangle AZC is congruent to triangle OZC by side, angle, side, and hence I can say AC is equal to OC. Therefore, AC is equal to OC. Now, AC is actually twice of AB. Okay, AC and BC are equal, so AC can be written as, therefore AC is AB by 2 is equal to OC, and OC is 6.5. Therefore, AB is equal to 13 centimeter. So here I got the length of AB. Now I have AB, I have AO. So now with the help of Pythagoras theorem, I will find OB, and after finding OB, I can find the area of triangle AOB. So note it down up to this point, then I will give you the remaining solution. Okay, so now in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle not ABC, it is AOB. In triangle AOB by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. That is 13 square. Now AO is 12 square plus OB square. Therefore, OB is equal to 169 minus 144 root. Therefore, OB is equal to root 25, and hence OB is equal to 5 centimeter. And after, now as we got the length of AB, now we'll find the area of triangle AOB. So now area triangle AOB is equal to 1 upon 2 into base multiplied by height 1 by 2. Base is OB, height is AO. So 1 upon 2, OB is 5, AO is 12. So this gives you 30 centimeter square. Okay, so please note it down. Then we will see the next question. Okay, now we'll see the next question. Question number 7. Okay, from the same exercise, question number 7, page number 562. Okay, question number 7. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonal AC and BD in which diagonals AC and BD intersect at a point E. Intersect at E. Prove that area triangle AED, area triangle AED multiplied by area triangle BEC is equal to area triangle ABE multiplied by area triangle CDE. Okay, that you have to prove. So think for a while that how you will proceed, then I will give you its solution. Okay, let us see solution. Okay, diagram, yes, diagram must be there. So okay, A B A B C D, diagonal AC and BD meet at point E. Okay, so from here we have to draw a perpendicular in this way, and from here we have to draw a perpendicular. Okay, let this is BQ, let this is be Z. Okay, so given ABCD is a quadrilateral, ABCD is a quadrilateral, AC and BD meet at AC and BD meet at E. AC and BD meet at E. So we have to prove, okay, to prove we can take from directly from there. So okay, now construction, a small construction is required. Draw AQ perpendicular, AQ perpendicular BD and CZ perpendicular BD. Okay, now let us see its proof. It is not that much difficult. We have to prove area of these two triangles are equal to product of these area of these two triangles is equal to product of area of these two triangles. So I will start from the left hand side. Okay, LHS, area triangle AED multiplied by area triangle BEC. Now according to uh, according to formula of area, this left hand side will be 1 upon 2 into base. Now for triangle AED, for triangle AED, base is ED, isn't it? This is the base. ED is the base and height is this AQ. Height is this AQ multiplied by 1 by 2 into. For triangle BEC, for triangle BEC, base I am taking as BE and this is the altitude. Okay, base is BE, altitude is CZ. Now LHS. See, we have to prove that product of these two areas is equal to product of these two areas. Now, if you see the triangle ABE, area triangle ABE, can I say this is BQ multiplied by, sorry, area triangle BE multiplied by AQ, base is BE, height is AQ. So here we have BQ as well as AQ. So what I will do, I do write the same thing in a different order. So I do write BE multiplied by AQ multiplied by 1 by 2 into ED multiplied by CZ. Simply what I did, I replace these two terms. Okay, and as they are in multiplication, the result remains same. Therefore, left hand side is equal to. Now here 1 upon 2 BE into AQ, 1 upon 2 BE into AQ can be replaced by area triangle ABE. Area triangle ABE multiplied by now 1 upon 2 ED into CZ. 1 upon 2 ED multiplied by CZ can be replaced by area triangle CDE. So this is actually equal to RHS. So left hand side is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, so please note it down. Then we'll see the next question. Okay, next we will see question number 10th. Question number 10th. The area of triangle ABC the area of triangle ABC is equal to 38 centimeters square. AD is the median and AD is the median and E is the midpoint of and E is the midpoint E is the midpoint of E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD. Find the area triangle BED. Find the area of triangle BED. Triangle BED. Okay, so it is given that ABC, area of triangle ABC is given. So we have a triangle ABC first of all. Okay, its area is given. Its area is given. It is also given that AD is one of its median, and it is also given that E is midpoint of AD. E is midpoint of AD. So we have to find the area of triangle BD. So if you remember, we have already solved this type of question in which it was asked to prove area BED is equal to 1/4 of ABC. Same thing is there, just here it is values are given. So we have given in triangle ABC, AD is a median. Okay, E is midpoint. E is midpoint of AD. That is BE is a median. B is also a median. Okay. To find also we have area triangle ABC is equal to 38 centimeter square. So what we have to find area triangle BED to find area triangle BED. So let us see its solution. See, we know that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So, uh, BE is a median. B is a median. Therefore, I can write uh, area triangle BED is equal to half area triangle ABD. ABD. Okay, B is a median and median divides the triangle, median divides the triangle into two triangles, two triangles of equal area. Okay, therefore therefore area triangle BE is equal to 1 by 2. Now instead of ABD I can write 1 by 2 of uh, area triangle ABC. Area triangle ABC. Reason is the same here. I do write the reason. Or it's better that I do write separately and then I will put this value over here. Let it be first. Now AD is a median and median of and median divides the triangle and median divide the triangle into two triangles of equal area. Therefore, I can say area triangle ABC is equal to area triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 area triangle ABC. Now, two things can be done. First thing that I put directly over here and then I put the value of ABC, or here I put the value of ABC and get the value of ABD and then I replace it over here. So, I'm doing that only. I'll put the value of area triangle ABC directly over here. So, this gives me 19 centimeter square because it is given 38. Now, put area triangle ABD is equal to 19 centimeter square in first. So we get area triangle AED is equal to 1 by 2 into 19, that is 9.5 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. So please note it down, then we'll see the next question. Okay, so now we'll see the next question. That is question number 12. question number 12. Okay, it is in the given figure ABCD is a trapezium. In the given figure ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC, in which AB parallel DC, and its diagonals AC and BD, and its diagonals and its diagonals AC and BD, and its diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Intersect at O. Prove that area triangle AOD. Prove that area triangle AOD is equal to area triangle BOC. Okay, so trapezium is given. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, AB is parallel to CD, and the diagonals BD and AC meet at point O. So we have to prove area triangle AOD, this is equal to BOC. So it's very easy, it's not that much difficult. Let us see how to prove. Given ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel CD. AC and BD meet at O. To prove area triangle AOD, area triangle AOD is equal to area triangle BOC. Okay, so let us see its proof. See, area triangle AOD, we have to prove this area triangle AOD. Okay, this triangle is equal in area with this triangle, that we have to prove. Now here you can see this triangle ADC and BCD. ADC, this, and BCD are on the same base DC and between same parallels, so they will be equal in area, and removing, subtracting area COD from these two, I will get my required results. So proof triangle ADC and triangle BCD are on the same base, and between are on the same base uh, DC, and between same parallels AB and CD. AB parallel DC, it is given. Therefore area triangle ADC is equal to area triangle uh, ADC, area triangle BCD, area triangle BCD. These two are equal in area. Now, two things can be done. Either I subtract the same thing from both, or I do write ADC as AOD plus COD and BCD as BOC plus COD, and then I can cancel COD from both sides. So here I am subtracting because it looks very clear that if I subtract this, I will get the required result. So therefore, area triangle ADC minus area triangle COD, okay, is equal to area triangle BCD minus area triangle COD. So on subtracting COD from ADC and from BCD, okay, subtracting COD from this, so subtracting COD from this ADC, I will get AOD, area AOD is equal to area triangle. Now when I subtract this COD from this BCD, I will get BOC. It is equal to area triangle BOC. Hence, please note it down. Then we'll see the next question. Okay, now we'll see question number 14th. Question number 14th. Question number 14 says D is midpoint of D is midpoint of side BC of side BC of triangle ABC of triangle ABC, and E is the midpoint of BD, and E is the midpoint E is the midpoint of E is the midpoint of BD. If O is midpoint of AE, if O is midpoint of AE, if O is midpoint of AE, prove that area triangle BOE, area triangle BOE is equal to 1 upon 8 area triangle ABC. Okay, it is almost similar to the question number we solved in the same lecture, in which value we have to find. It is same as question number 10. Okay, over there 2 midpoints were given, here 3 midpoints are given. So think for a while that how you will proceed, then I will give you it. solution. Okay, so let me draw first of all the diagram. So it is given that uh, E is midpoint of BC. E is midpoint of BC. Okay. Then uh, D is midpoint of BC, not E. And E is midpoint of AD. E is midpoint of AD. Okay. And O is midpoint of AE. O is midpoint of AE. So you have to prove that area triangle BOE is equal to area triangle ABC by 8. Okay, so throughout this question, we need one concept that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So we need this statement. So let us see how to prove. Given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, uh, E is in triangle ABC, AD is a median. AD is a median. AD is a median. Okay. E is midpoint. E is midpoint of AD. E is midpoint of AD. That is, I can say BE is median for triangle ABD. Also, also O is midpoint. O is midpoint of of triangle. Sorry, O is midpoint of AE. To prove what we have to prove, area triangle BOE, area triangle BOE is equal to 1 by 8 area triangle ABC, area triangle ABC, that we have to prove, area triangle ABC. So let us see first I will tell you in short, because uh, its solution is not that much difficult. So let us see its proof. See, first of all, if I write BOE, okay, I know that O is midpoint of AE. O is midpoint of AE, that is BO is median. So BO is median, so I can write BO is equal to half of ABE. Okay, then E is midpoint of AD, that is BE is median. So I can write BO, so I can write ABE. ABE is equal to half of ABD. Okay. Now D is midpoint of BC, that is AD is median. So I can write ABD is equal to half of ABC. So in that way I will get BO is equal to 1/8 of ABC. So let us see how to see here. Throughout we are three times we are going to use the same statement. So here I am stating that first, so that every time when I need it, I do write from above statement. So statement that I am going to use is median median of a triangle, median of a triangle divides the triangle divides the triangle into two triangles of into two triangles of equal area. Okay, using this statement I will prove the required. So now O is midpoint of AE. Now O is midpoint of O is midpoint of AE, that is AE is a median, therefore area triangle BOE is equal to half area triangle ABE, half area triangle ABE, half area triangle ABE from above statement. Okay, let this is be first. Okay, let this is be the equation number 1. Now uh, E is midpoint, E is midpoint of AD, that is BE is a median, that is BE is a median. uh, so from above statement, I can write area triangle ABE is equal to half of area triangle ABD, area triangle ABD. Let it be statement number 2. So if I put this over here, I will get the further result. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Now putting um, ABE equal to area triangle ABE is equal to half uh, area triangle ABD, area triangle ABD. In first we get what we get, uh, area triangle BOE is equal to half multiplied by half area triangle ABD. Therefore, area triangle BOE is equal to 1 by 4 area triangle ABD. Let it be third. Now, D is midpoint of BC. Now, AD is a median. It is a median. So, from above statement, I can write area triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 area triangle ABC. Let it be fourth. Now simply when you put this area ABD equal to half ABC over here, you will get BO equal to 1/8 of ABC. So note it down up to this point, then I will give you the remaining solution. Okay, so further we'll see over here. Now we will put this value from equation 3, sorry, from equation 4 in equation 3. Okay, now putting area triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 area triangle ABC in third, we get what we get. Area triangle BOE is equal to 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2 area triangle ABC. Therefore, area triangle BOE is equal to 1 by 8 area triangle ABC. Hence, proof. Okay, so please note it down. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Now we'll meet in next lecture. Till then, bye. Thank you. Take care. Stay at